I never want to recommend bankruptcy because it's such emotional trauma for many.
I've been practicing bankruptcy law almost as long as Caleb Hammer has been alive, and I can assure you that emotional trauma comes from debt. It comes from not knowing what you're going to do next. It comes from not knowing whether or not you're going to be able to make your mortgage payment next month. It comes from not being able to pay for your medicine because you've got to pay for credit card debt or medical bills or payday loans or lawsuits that are coming after you. Emotional trauma comes from not having a solution to your debt problems. And while I don't think that Caleb is trying to be a liar, I do believe he believes the myths that he is perpetuating. But it's important to understand that Caleb Hammer is perpetuating myths about bankruptcy. And this is a good time to remind you that he went to college for composition, not for economics or finance. I didn't go to college for economics or finance, but I did go to law school to study the law. And so I do understand the laws about bankruptcy, why it works, how it works, and why it's so incredibly beneficial for so many people. I don't think Caleb understands there's two different types of bankruptcies. And I don't think he understands that for high earners, a Chapter 13 would stop all compounding interest and save people tens of thousands of dollars while also giving them the protection of a federal judge that makes sure that nothing happens to them in the 5 years that they're paying debts back, if that's what they choose to do. Bankruptcy is an entirely different animal than what Caleb Hammer thinks it is. And this is a reminder you should not be getting your financial advice from a YouTuber who went to college to study composition. You need truthful information and people who have true experience in this area. Don't take my word for it. Go talk to a bankruptcy lawyer near you. That's where you start. Good luck.